Solve algebraically. We've got a pair of simultaneous equations. So let's do it by substitution. So if we rearrange this second one, we would have x is equal to 2y minus 3. Then we can substitute 2y minus 3 plus y squared equals 18. I've basically just changed the first equation. I've taken out the x and I've put 2y minus 3 in. First thing I need to do, expand the brackets. That gives us 4y squared. Then that gives us minus 12y plus 9. Then we've just got the bit we've already got. So the y squared equals 18. Have a bit of a tidy up. So we've got 5y squared minus 12y plus 9 equals 18. Now we're solving a quadratic. We can't do that until it's equal to 0. So let's put it equal to 0. So we've got to take away the 18, which gives us minus 9 equals 0. Now we need to factorise. Well, I've got 5y squared, so I know the factors of 5 are 5 and 1. So one of my brackets is going to have 5y in the front of it, and the other one is just going to have a y. Now we need factors of 9, and when I multiply, I'm going to multiply one of them by 5. So I could, let's just list them, 1 and 9 or 3 and 3. Well, if I go for 1 and 9, the 9 is going to be times by the 5. That's going to be 45. That's going to be a long way off 12, isn't it? But if we put 3 and 3 in, one of them is going to be negative, because I've got to get negative 9, but I also need the negative there. So if I make that one negative and that one positive, I get minus 15 plus my 3 gives me the negative 12 that I'm after. Then we just put each one equal to 0, which gives us y is equal to minus 3 over 5. And this one, put it equal to 0, gives us a y value of 3. Right, I now need to work out the corresponding values of x. Well, I know x is equal to 2 times, for that one, which is basically going to give me minus, so we times those two together, gives us minus 6 over 5 minus 3. So actually that is minus 4, that's 1 and 1/5, so minus 4 and 1/5, or if y is 3, we've got x is equal to 2 times 3 minus 3, so that is 6, 3. So one of our points is going to be 3, 3, and the other point from over there is minus 4/5, and the y value was minus 3/5. Okay, there are two answers, x and y for both.